Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with an underage sexual attack. Let's see here. My son came into my brother's house and sexually attacked his 12-year-old cousin. Her parents hit him, called the police, and arrested him. Well, we need a little bit more information regarding the sexual attack. This right here, he was under the influence of drugs. Okay, first of all, the cousin is 12, so obviously, if we're talking about a raping of a minor, generally speaking, that should be a violation of Penal Code Section 261 is generally the charge for a rape, but that's for an adult, which carries up to 8 years in state prison. Generally speaking, if you're talking about raping somebody under the age of 12, the punishment is going to be dramatically higher. Aside from the prison sentence, there's also going to be the potential of having to register as a sex offender for life, especially if he's convicted. Now, it says right here that he was under the influence of drugs. Well, even though he was under the influence of drugs, remember that voluntary intoxication is not a defense. In other words, if you get yourself high, you can't say, well, I was high, so it's not my fault. No. Anything that you do while under the influence of drugs, you're going to be responsible for that. Not only this, but it says right here that he came into the brother's house and sexually assaulted the 12-year-old. Well, the question I have is, okay, due to the fact that due to the fact that he came into the house, I need to know, did you go in with permission, or did your son break into the house? The reason is because if he broke into the house, then we're talking about a burglary charge on top of this, which would be a violation of Penal Code Section 460, which would add 6 years of state prison to the charge. So we're talking about some pretty hefty punishments here. And like I said before, involuntary intoxication is a defense, but voluntary intoxication is not a defense, and he's going to be responsible for the breaking and entering if he actually broke and entered, and for the sexual assault. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who did a rape under threats. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.